This is after the cam break-in period, doing the oil change. And we're going to see if we can open this canister up. I don't know if it's going to work or not. Might if I pull the ring out. Let's see if I get lucky. Alright, gotta find another way. Okay, found another way. Sharp chisel, small one, and just beat it. Okay, I went all the way around it with a chisel, and then I had to use a screwdriver and some pliers to bend the spring back out, and then took it outside and washed it out with parts cleaner, and then pried the top off. There's that, and then here's the filter, and I'm going to cut this apart and then we'll see what's in there. Okay, I got it all laid out here and I'm pretty happy. That's not metal. One little chunk of steel, but I'm going to say that's left behind from the machine shop. It is magnetic, whatever it is, but it appears white. That's peculiar. I'm not seeing any major chunks. I'm not seeing a lot of anything. I do see some residual peat or something in there, but I'm really happy with it. Now, what is a cam break-in? You have to run a new cam, new lifters for a break-in period, which is typically running it up to 2,000 RPM and holding it there for 20 minutes. And then after you get that done, you change the oil. This is the oil that I used. I'm also going to use it for the first oil change. And this is an engine supplement with high zinc in it that I also put in there, and I'm going to run that during my first oil change. The first oil change will happen at 1,000 miles.